y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I react to police chases, we got ASP in pursuit of a fast GMC with the driver mod, supposedly. I see a GMC. He merges on. And he just smashes off on the trooper, kinda. He's at least going 80. So the trooper starts to pace him. Yeah. And now he's going 90. He must be really feeling the song in his car. How does that big ass thing even go that fast? Damn, that thing is actually moving, bro. It's gone. What the heck? Bro, we got to do a horsepower check on that boy. What the hell? So the cop tops out at 155, so eventually he's gonna catch him. Spent 10 hours on his flight, man. Ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. Jerry, no one never I'd land. Yeah. I don't condone running from the police, but this is a good one, I must say. Smash the like button, y'all. If you want to join the Liftoff mob, you got to lift off on the subscribe button. Like this GMC is doing on ASP. He didn't even try to stop. He hit the brake once when he hit the scene of lights. Okay, twice. Body roll.
Just took grand exit.
Yeah, he just pulled a sick move on that trooper. So he got at least like a football field on him. So now he can get right back up to speed, get right back going. You got 400 miles, bro. All you can do is run to the border. I mean, the state line. If you guys don't know if the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. I know I forgot a couple times in these new videos that I'm pushing out. But I do clap it up for the cops and have a donut if they do catch the bad guy. Oh, he taking off.
He just turned around and sideswiped me, Fort Smith. We're on Kelly Highway westbound.
10-4 Kelly Highway westbound. Are you 1050?
This cop must like his job. This looks fun. I ain't gonna lie.
10-4 westbound Kelly Highway.
It just sucks that like this much fun. Ooh. How did the SUV have more control going into that turn than the Charger? Bro. He kind of know what he doing with that thing.
We're at Worthing. He's coming through his car wash.
10-4 working.
Southbound on Kelly, or 50th, going back towards Kelly. Or eastbound on Worthing.
Eastbound on working.
Just flying through the neighborhoods, bro. This looks like so much fun. I love reacting to police chases.
On 54th.
It honestly just makes me excited.
Working Kelly Highway.
Yeah, he's turning down Bernie.
Is it supposed to be entertaining?
Turning down Bernie. For the county, it was just be advised, HG 13 is in pursuit.
They gotta get more units on this. He's just going in circles, bro.
Near Kelly Highway.
This some clown shit.
Back eastbound on Worsing.
Eastbound on working.
This might be his demise.
North on 54th. West on Johnson.
Bro, like,
Towards 50th.
it's the going in circles.
West on Johnson.
26 and got close.
Yeah, he's gonna have to stay into that gas now.
10 4.
Drive close. I'm on the all the lane.
10 4. Never.
No emergency westbound. He's on Johnson trying to get behind.
10 4.
We're at Albert Pike. He crossed Albert Pike. Crossing Albert Pike. Still on whatever Johnson.
Is that him up there?
Johnson, Albert Pike.
13, what's your PC? Hit you?
Well, that was during the pursuit. He was doing 113, got on at the 10, got on and started doing 113 on out right in front of me.
Bro, no way this big ass truck put the gapples on their ass. Especially a Charger. That's just funny.
Are you with us?
Oh, they snitching. They snitching on the block, bro.
He's coming towards me. Where is he?
10
Ready to go. Fuck!
Where he at, though?
13, you still got it?
Negative. That's too far ahead.
They done boxed in this old ass truck.
What was your last location you called?
Johnson about to. I'll have to look back.
Arkansas reminds me a lot of Michigan. Is it in the Midwest? Weirdly reminds me of Michigan.
You got 20 information on anything all.
And yeah, if they didn't get any video of them catching this guy, then they didn't do it. And that's all I'm gonna say, man. If you want to lift off, I mean, well, even have the luck to maybe lift off on the cops. I'm not saying run from the cops. I don't condone running from the police. I don't think you should do that. I think that is dumb. These are examples of what not to do, and that's what I react to. But anyways, I do react to this because, you know what I mean. In GTA, I was doing this type of thing for fun at takeovers in GTA, and I got ran over by a car, and you should watch that video. Because this is why I just stay at the desk and watch police chases from the desk. Anyways, I digress. What do y'all think about this chase? That big ass GMC just swerved on the cops. And he had to shake them because once you get more units in pursuit of you, bro, you're cooked. Once two of them can track you and they can do a gritter on you, bro, you cooked. But the fact he didn't stop from the beginning, I think that's what helped him get away in the context of how I'm saying he got away. He probably couldn't evade them charges. His plates was out, this, that. Just don't be a clown. That thing had to have crazy horsepower. It's just that 6.2, bro. Them 6.2s push. And yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this down in the comments. Is this guy, you know what I mean? He's just endangering the public. Going through neighborhoods driving crazy. That's a lot of metal. You hit somebody, bro, I don't think they getting up in that big old truck. But, you know, let me know down in the comments. Drop a like. Lift off like this GMC did on the subscribe button, man. Show some love, man. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs. Please. Please. 1,000 subs. Please. More videos on the way. It's your boy, your host with the most, JTSpeeds. JTSpeeds. And I am out. Peace, y'all. She on the floor, the Jake's knocking at the door,